I'm Tyler with Lowbrow Customs, here in our showroom in Brunswick, Ohio. I want to show you guys these new investment cast aluminum filler caps that we came out with. These work for both oil and gas tanks as well as any custom application. They're a 1 5/16 12 thread, and they work with some popular brands such as Mooneyes oil tanks. They'll thread right in place of the cap that the Mooneyes tank comes with, which is nice in itself, but this is just a second option for you. These also work with British Standard and Cycle Standard oil tanks. The Cycle Standard tank shown here is for a Harley-Davidson or other custom motorcycle, while here is an example of a British Standard oil tank that's perfectly set up for Triumphs or other British motorcycles. And there's many different styles of these available. Our new caps also work with a couple of gas tanks we produce. This is the Lowbrow Customs narrow Sporty Frisco gas tank, and you can see one of the polished spinners there in place. And this is the Cole Foster tank. This one is for a 2007 and up Sportster. This would be for an EFI or fuel injected Sportster. The cap it comes with is a vented knurled aluminum. You can swap that out with one of these new custom caps. This is the polished spinner, and there is also a knurled version available, both in polished and black. In addition to these fitments, we also make a threaded bung. This is mild steel, and we also offer aluminum. You can weld this into any fluid vessel of your choosing, oil tank, gas tank, etc., and then use one of these matching caps to fit. You can find these products and more at lowbrowcustoms.com. Thanks.
Yeah.